You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words in English. They look similar and they confuse a lot of people, including non-native English speakers. If you want to learn more English pronunciations and confusing words, vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So the top word here is pronounced as sad. When you feel some pain, some emotions, you are sad. It's a very open ah sound, a long ah sound. I'm sad. The bottom word is from the verb to say. Said is how to pronounce it. Said, alright? There's no diphthong, it's not side. Said, it's an eh sound. Said, and it's a short eh sound. So, top word, sad. Bottom word, said, as in, this has been said before. Sad, said. Top word, sad. How to pronounce in English. English pronunciation, sad. Said. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.